recent past, there has been a tremendous rush for the technical examinations. This is because the students feel that they get a job if they pass some technical examination, but the performance of the candidates at all these examinations is not up to the mark. This is mainly because of their poor standard in English. Good standard in English is particularly necessary for the students who learn shorthand. Shorthand is an art. It is only learning to write by sound. It is not that everybody can learn this subject. The student who is prepared to do hard work only can learn this art perfectly and thoroughly. This is a subject which cannot be learned by self study. Students who intend to learn shorthand must always get sufficient training from a qualified and competent teacher. The pronunciation of the teacher should be clear and perfect. The student should have full knowledge of outlines and see that the outlines written by him are clear in accordance with the rules of shorthand. He should also have thorough idea of grammalogs, contractions, and other phrases. His practice must be regular and systematic. To a great extent, the student must judge for himself the method of his practice while taking dictation. Ear and hand should work practically simultaneously in order to secure the best results. When a wrong outline is written, the student has to ignore the fact and go on. If several outlines are wrongly written, he has to reduce the speed. Para. One should have regular dictation practice to improve speed in shorthand. Particular attention should be given to length, position, writing, and indication of vowels of the outlines. Practice of an hour a day is better than 2 or even 3 hours every alternate day. To improve the outlines, one should have delayed practice of writing shorthand from a written English passage. The passage should be varied as far as possible. Difficult words, if any, should be practiced separately and they should be noted down in a separate notebook. Marking of punctuation cannot be overlooked. Another important factor is concentration. While taking dictation, the mind should be calm and undisturbed. The student should have full concentration on the passage. All this can be developed only through regular dictation practice. The students should not be eager to take the examination when his practice is not up to the mark. Practice of shorthand should not be examination oriented.